Okay, welcome to the next session on this series. In this set, we are starting from question number 24. Okay, so let's read the question. It says, if the universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then A is equal to 2, 4, 6, B is 1, 2, 3, 4, then find A complement union B. A complement union B. So let's find A complement first. Let's find A complement first. So A complement is every element that is in the universal set but cannot be found in A. So let's start with 1. 1 is here. 1 is not in the universal set. So 1 goes in the set. Let's go again. 2 here. 2 here. So it does not go. 3 here. 3 not here. So 3 goes here, right? So let's write the set first. So we have 1, then we have 3, right? Let's continue. We have 4 here, 4 here, so 4 does not go. We have 5 here, 5 not here, so 5 goes here, right? So 5 goes here. Let's continue. We have 6 here, 6 here, so it does not go. So that's the end of our set. That is the end of our set. So we have 5, right? Now we already have B, so we just need to find the union of B. You know that B was the set 1, 2, 3, 4. So the union of these two sets, so A complement union B, is going to give us, that is all the elements here and all the elements here together, right? So let's start. We have 1, then we have 2, then we have 3, then we have 4, then we have 5. So that is the end of our set. That's the end of our set. Right, let's see if we have it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so that's the answer is D. Let's move on to the next set of questions. Let's read it. The Venn diagram shows the number of pupils who offer geography, economics, and physics in the certificate class of school. So this is our Venn diagram. We have geography, we have economics, we have physics. So the first question says, how many students offer exactly two of the 3 subjects? 2. So what this means is geography and economics. The students who offer geography and economics, and geography and physics, and economics and physics. So what this means is the students that are common to geography and physics, and geography and economics and physics, right? So how can we find those elements? Those elements are represented by these three stations, right? Those 3 stations are the students that offer 2 of those subjects. So here you have these 4 represents physics and economics, and then these 3 represents geography and physics, and then the 6 represents geography and economics, right? So what we need to do is to add all those values, 6, 3, 6, 3, and 4. Then we find our answer. So that will be 6 plus 3 plus 4. That will give us what? 13. So that is our answer. 13 is B. Let's move on to question number 26. It says, how many students offer both geography and economics? So what that means is that students that offer geography and economics, that will be what? This right here. So that will be 6 plus 5, right? That will be 6 plus 5, which is what? 11. So our answer is C. Okay, let's move on to the next set of questions. It says, question 27 says, Given two sets P and Q, the commutative property of union of the two sets implies what? It says the commutative property. So what commutative property means is you can basically switch the position of each set and then you still have the same thing on the union, right? So let's see which of the options give us that. It says the first option A says P union Q is equal to P union Q complement. No, this is not true. So A is not correct. Let's go to B. B says P union Q equals P complement union Q complement. This is also not true. Let's go to C. C says P union Q is equal to P intersection Q. Absolutely false. So that leaves us with D. What? D, which says P union Q is equal to Q union P, which is absolutely true. That is the commutative property. Okay, let's go to the next set of questions. It says use the Venn diagram below to answer questions 28 and 29. So you're supposed to use this to answer this and this. Okay, let's go to the first question. It says from the Venn diagram, what is A complement intersection B complement? So as we already know, A complement means anything that is outside of A, right? And then B complement means anything that is outside of B. Got it, right? So when we do that, it means that to find the intersection of those two sets, so let's write it down first. So you have first A complement. So A complement would mean everything outside A. So that is 3, 8, 4, then 9, right? So let's write that down. So you have A complement is equal to, that is, as I mentioned, A complement everything outside of A. So that will be 3, 4, 10, 9, 8, right? So let's write down 3, 4, 9. Sorry, let's put 8 first. Of 8, 9, 10. So now let's do the same for B. B means everything outside of B, which is 1, 2, 6, 3, 8, right? So that will be B complement. We said that is what? 1, 2, 3, 6, 8. So now we need to find the intersection of these two sets. So that will be A complement intersection B complement. What do we have? Now what this means is sets common to this and common to this. So let's start with 3. 3 here, 3 not here. So we cannot put that. 4 here. Oh, sorry. We have 3 here. We have 3 here. So 3 goes here, right? Have 3 goes. So let's go back and continue. You have 4 here, 4 not here, so you cannot go. You have 8 here, 8 here, so it goes here, right? You have 8. Let's continue. We have 9 here, 9 not here, 10 here, 10 not here. So that is our set. 3, 8. Do we have it? Oh yes, we have it, which is B. Let's go to question number 29. It says, how many elements are in the set A intersection B complement? A intersection B complement. We already have B complement here, so we just need to find A. So A is everything in this circle right here. So that will be 1, 2, 6, 5, 7, right? So let's put it down. A, sorry, not A complement A. So we have A is a set of 1, 2, 5, 6, and what? 7, right? And then we have what? B complement, which is right here. B complement right here. We need to find the intersection of these two sets. So now let's go. Do we have one here? Yes, we have one here. We have 2 here. We have 2 here. Do we have 5 here? 5 not here. Okay. Do we have 6 here? Yes, we have 6 here. Do we have 7 here? We have 7 not here. We have, okay, so let's write the answer down. So A intersection B complement. That will be what? We have 1 here, 1 here, so 1 goes, right? We have 2 here, 2 here, so 2 goes, right? We have 5 here, 5 not here, 6 here, 6 here, so 6 goes. We have 7 here, 7 not here, so that is it. We have 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, right? So let's write that down. 1, 2, 6. Now that is not the question. The question says how many elements? How many elements are in the set? So we need to count it. We have 1, 2, 3, 3 elements. So that will be 3 elements. We have 3 elements. So let's circle 3 elements. So that is our answer. That is our answer. So let's move on to the next set of questions.